What is the default Roku IP address?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something essential in the world of Roku, the Roku IP address. If you have ever wondered what it is or needed it for some troubleshooting, then you've come to the right place. We'll delve into the details of the Roku IP address and how to find it. So, let's jump in.
What is an IP address?
Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand what an IP address is. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a unique numeric label assigned to each device participating in a computer network. It's like your home address but for your Internet-connected devices. Remember, every Roku device does not come with a default IP address, as it's assigned by your network's router when you connect your Roku device to your home network.
Why would you need your Roku's IP address?
The next question to consider is, why would you need your Roku's IP address? It's necessary when you're doing certain networking tasks, like setting up port forwarding, network diagnostics, or if you want to remotely control your Roku device.
How to find your Roku's IP address?
Now, let's get to the main part, finding the IP address of your Roku device. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Turn on your Roku device and TV. 2. From the Roku home screen, go to Settings. 3. Select Network. 4. Choose About. Your Roku's IP address will be displayed in the About section. And that's all there is to it. Now you know what a Roku IP address is, why it's important, and most importantly, how to find it. Always remember that the Roku IP address is assigned by your network and does not come with a default IP address. If you ever find yourself needing it, simply follow the steps we discussed. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.